guys, this is Sarah V from ChainEX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we would like to show you step by step how to buy cryptocurrency using ChainEX. We will show you how to register, verify, make your first ZAR deposit, and finally how to buy some cryptocurrency. So let's get to it. First you'll need to head over to ChainEX. If you don't have a ChainEX account, head over to chainex.io/register and create an account. If you do have an account, great! You can skip the step and log in so long. Next you'll need to complete the required information and then activate your account by clicking the confirmation link sent to you via email. For more information on the registration process, watch one of our previous videos over here. The next step is to verify your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be directed to the profile page. Click on Verify Now to verify your account. Please note that you are required to verify your account to at least verification level 1 in order to gain access to the ZAR market. For more information regarding profile verification level 1, please watch one of our previous videos over here. Next step will be to make a ZAR deposit. On the balance page, click Deposit on the ZAR card over here. By using your online banking and the deposit details provided by ChainEX, make a ZAR deposit. Please make sure you use the correct reference provided so that we know where to allocate your deposit to. The correct reference code can be found here. The ZAR deposit will reflect in your ChainEX account within 2 business days, depending on which bank you are sending the funds from. For a full-length tutorial video on how to make a ZAR deposit, click here. The final step is to buy some cryptocurrency. Let's buy some Bitcoin. On the balances page, on the ZAR card, click on Buy Bitcoin. Enter the amount in rands that you'd like to spend on Bitcoin and click Buy. There you go, it's that easy. Before you go, you're probably enjoying your ChainEX experience, right? So much so that you can't help but tell your friends about it? Did you know you could get paid just for telling your friends about ChainEX? If you head over to the referrals page over here, you can find your unique personal referral link. If your friend signs up to ChainEX using your link, you'll get paid a percentage of the trading fees every single time they make a trade. It's a win-win situation for everyone. For more information regarding the ChainEX referral program and how you can earn, please watch this video over here. Thanks guys for watching our tutorial video. If you like the tutorial video, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up and please feel free to comment below. See you guys in the next one!